What's going on, guys? It's Vincent, and I want to do a trade recap for y'all on SPY. This was a 0DTE trade that I took yesterday when SPY ripped $2, and I was able to get an 80% return on 0DTEs in just about 5 minutes. I want to explain why I took this trade. As we know, volatility's been huge in this market, definitely with Trump in office. And with that being said, I think it's more of a day traders type of market, or futures or option selling. You really have to adapt to the changing market conditions, in which I did. So at 2:30 yesterday, Trump says Iran would like to make a deal, and in my mind, I'm like, okay, that sounds pretty bullish. Given we just been consolidating all day, that could mean the end of the war or something like that, and that's one of the bigger reasons why SPY has been selling off in the first place. So when that news dropped at 2:30, SPY was 654.20. I'd grabbed 50 0DT calls at 71 cents, and in 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, the stock popped $2 plus. The calls went 80%. My runners went 166%, and I was able to net a really good trade. I actually just looked at my fills. I was in at 71, and in 2 minutes, I was selling at 118. That's a 66% return. And then I was able to hold my runners and get out of these at about 150%. But that's just knowing news and how to play the reactions. This is a reactionary market, so always having my nose notifications on and knowing when to execute has been great for me as we navigate through this volatility. But if you enjoyed this recap, all I ask is that you just drop me a like, drop me a follow, turn on my notifications if you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next recap. Thanks for watching.